Hey guys, this is Mainak, and today we will do the elevation and section of this particular plan. And if you have seen the previous videos, you've seen the description of the plan and also the how to do the column positioning of this plan. So now quickly we will do the elevation for this particular plan. So let's move forward. First of all, if you want to create an elevation for this plan, you can just copy this and create this like this. Okay, so this is done. You can even make it a single block. Okay, and I'll name it elevation elevation block, and click on OK, and I'll just make the elevation out of it. So move it a little bit forward, and we'll use the XL lines. So X and XL or the X line command. So just to draw out the elevation now from it. Okay, so first of all, for the front elevation, all the significant commands and things are just draw out. So almost all the significant things we have picked up here. Now if you want to show the window chaja also, I think this line is also important. Okay, so this is a single story building. First of all, we will take this plinth level here like this, and plinth level will be 450 above the ground level. So this is the let this be the ground level. 450 above the ground level is the plinth level. Okay, so plinth level is there, and let the height be 3000 for the floor to floor height. SSL at 3000. Let the slab thickness be 125 mm. 125 below this, and let the headroom height be 2400. Okay, 2400 headroom, and also this also thickness 125. Okay, and you can trim the bottom portions here like this, and headroom to the portion where you want to end the headroom, you can also draw that. So in our case, headroom can end here, trim wall, and you want to extend this particular column, you can end here. The headroom, we'll just take it a little bit down a bit. Okay, and maybe extend this further. Okay, done. Okay, so now we can simply just delete or trim all the things which we don't want and keep the things which we want. Okay, so first of all, here this is the, let's make the plain roof here first of all. So this was for the headroom. Beyond this we don't need. Okay, select and delete. This was for our headroom. Up to this is the headroom. Okay, so in elevation the walls will not be visible here. So the columns will you can choose or not choose to make the columns visible. So in here this will not be visible, only the walls will be visible. So we will just eliminate them completely. Okay, now here also if you just look up, this will completely look one side. So we'll have a door here in this place. Starting from here we'll have a door, So the door height, as you can see here, the door height, let's see from here, it's 2100. Okay, so the door height is at 2100, so just get an offset of 2100 here like this, and we'll take a rectangle out of this door area just to see. Later delete this. Okay, so just to take a rectangle out of this door area just to be sure. Okay, so we'll make this door block, and you can delete the remaining things honestly, and the window will also be visible. So the window block, let's see, let's just use the extend command once again for the window block. Okay, the window block can be placed here, and the seal level is at window seal level is at 2100. So offset of 2100 from here. No, seal level is at 757 placed window height. Seal level is at 2100 and lintel level is at 2700. Sorry, this is there has been an error here. Okay, well, this is ventilator, sorry, window seal level 750. Okay. So we'll take an offset of 750 from here. Okay, and the window will be like this. Like this, we'll just take it out and make it we'll make a block, and then we'll see. So let's work on this particular door and window blocks, because they will only represent the elevation now, and the remaining things we can figure out. So just divide the area. Let's go, I'll go for a simplistic design. This is a double you can open this door both sides, so I'll go for a very simple design here. You can go for more complicated designs, or you can even get yourself from the CAD blocks. Okay, so I'll use this, maybe trim this part. Let me give a nice little arc here, turn off the ortho, nice little arc here. So yeah, this should do. Just join this with single object and mirror, turn on the ortho, no, and select this again, and use the mirror command once again, just to, or this would rather look symmetrical, good, when symmetrical. I'll use the copy command instead of the mirror, and since this is the double faced door, we'll have two doorknobs representing the, okay, I'll just mirror this one, it's better. Okay, I think we need to keep this one is not required, just to represent the separation. And okay, I forgot the frame. Frame is also 50 for the frame, and okay, this looks like good door. Okay, we'll do the hatching later. Let's go forward with the window here. So window is a wooden window. So first of all, let's do the 50, the frame, and after that, so this is single leaf window, right? Single leaf window. So given a aluminum frame window. Okay, aluminum frame window can be single leaf or can be double leaf as well. Usually with glass, so we'll make. Let's give an offset of 50 here, and we can give half glass like this. Windows are also there. Let's not complicate things a lot. just use the glass here, glass symbol, something like this represents the glass symbol. Looks good. Okay, yes, so use hatch and use solid obviously, and first of all I look for the aluminum colors here. Something is wrong here, so if something is wrong here, simply for double checking, go for rectangle and then go hatch again, and then you will find the proper, and then I'll go for a blue, light shaded blue for the like this represent the glasses here. Okay, and for this I'll go wooden frame, so wooden frame color approximately around this can be a wooden frame color, and then for aluminum for the doorknobs, aluminum color for can be given for the, and even yellow doorknobs are available, right? Yellow also can be given for the doorknobs, and I think I can give an offset of 25 just to have a bit variety in the design as well. Yes, it's A. I think a darker color, darker shade outside and a lighter shade inside will do good. I think blue doors are good as per Vastu, so a darker blue shade outside, and sorry, okay, there is some problem with this. I'll simply copy that. Let me just do this to enter, and a lighter blue shade inside. Okay, and this there is some problem in this hatch, so what I'll do, I'll just simply I think I'll simply mirror this, or may not mirror, copy this, right? Copy. What was the point which I copied? I had the center, right? Yeah, this sounds good. And yeah, to top it off, just a frame of, what should be the color for the frame? Let's go for this kind of matches the yeah, choosing colors. Okay, this is too pinkish. Let's go for this one. This one's fine. Okay, so I'll make this as a block, so B, and this block name will be D elevation, and this will be block B, enter W elevation. Okay, so you'll simply put it here, and you'll simply put it here. There are a lot of other things as well to do, technical things, before just doing other things. Okay, so we are done with these things. I think I can get rid of this for now. Let's get rid of all the hatchings for now. Okay, so we'll have a kind of stairs because we need the stairs here. Okay, this ortho is turned off, so I'll just turn it on and copy this from here to here. You can even extend this basically. but I think it's quite good. Offset of 10 inches. One, sorry, not 10 inches is offset of let's go, this is 450 mm, so let's go 250 risers. This will be sorry, we go 150 risers, then get 4 risers will be sufficient for this. Okay, these are the stairs, and this is basically how it is going to look. But yeah, this will start from the mid landing level, so from the bottom this particular thing will not be there. Yes, okay, so the mid landing level will be at 1500. Okay, just let me just select this ES center, and also XL. Okay, so I guess this will start from here. Okay, so basically this is how this will look like, and obviously we can extend this further for the cantilever for 450 mm offset for 450, and this is obviously required so the rainfall doesn't come to your place. So EX enter, just this one also, and for this one also EX enter. Sorry, keep going. So we like this. Just the extension here. Now it is extended to 450 mm. So we'll just do this also. Okay. So this is basically the front elevation. I can just use the other things to denote here. So there are no doors or windows here. Basically there is only one window here, and so this is represented here, and you can use some texts here. Okay, so this will be, I'll use caps lock, and this will be our GL, and I'll write here 0.00. Okay, this is mm, right? 0. And then this can be a dotted line as well. Is this visible? Yes. GL, and then this will be the PL, and this can be the mid landing level. This can be the SSL, This can be the okay. So you can also give the dimensions like this: 450, 1500, 3000, 2400. So this simply simple addition here. This is then 4550, then add 45. This is mid landing level. Don't need to show this, just understanding. So this will be 450 plus 1500, 1950. This will be 450 plus 3000, 3450. And this will be 3450 plus 2400, which is 5850. And you can simply give a symbol for the ground level. Just use this. Yeah, this sounds nice. You can also use this trick to just denote the ground level. Okay, so just can just use this like this, and you can use the mirror command. Erase source object, no, just join this. This is okay, fine, and then use like this. So this is the ground level, this is the plinth level, sorry, just plinth. I can use the short from LVL dot GL. You can just move a little bit below. Okay, like this you can do, and you can do your useful coloring, which you can do like, let's go for some standard colors here. Okay, I think this color is okay. So I'll use a text here, and this will be called the front elevation. Use bold and underline. Bold and underline on. You can also use Ctrl plus B. I'm using Ctrl plus B, Ctrl plus C. You can also use from here. So it will be italics is on. Just turn off the italics. Ctrl plus I. Front elevation. Okay. Just I think I should make it a little bit closer. This is way too much. This side, I think, should make a little bit closer. This thing. Yeah, this level is okay, perfect. Trim this. Just move it a little bit. ground level, plinth level, mid landing level. This will be the ground floor, structural slab level, SSL, okay. This looks cool. I can arrange them later in the single sheet. I think since it's a single floor building elevation all can come easily. So do represent the this and also this thing, this 450, very important. I think here only represent 1k direction, that is okay, fine. Okay, so this also, this 450 like this, 250 to represent this. Yes, in the building elevation this is perfect and should satisfy everything here. And we can delete this line now. This is the building elevation and all the dimensions are given here like this. Okay, now let's go to the building sections. So just take this block and move it over here, and here for the building section, first of all you need to define the where we want to put the sections. Let's say I'm putting a section along here. Okay, so just to show you, since I want the staircase also involved, so that's why I'm cutting it here. I want a section along here, right? You can draw the flag later. Okay, just to show you, flags also you can draw. I think, yeah, let's do it right now. What happens there? Move this to this portion. I'll just take it down a little bit. Okay, and take it down a little bit, and then draw the line for representing a flag. Trim it, and then I don't want this. Okay, just as this also, use by layer. Okay, hatching, black is good here. Copy this to this portion, trim the remaining portion, and claim it as a block. B, enter, line, section, and then just you can do this. You can also edit this, and I may think you can also give a name to this particular thing, section A, section BB, like this. So A sounds good. Let's just annotate and take a bigger size for this. Let's take T200 for this. So it deserves a bigger size, and copy, done. This is the required changes. Okay, this is the section AA which we'll prepare. So for preparing section AA, I'll enter, and now we'll need everything in detail, right? Okay, so take every single thing in utmost detail. Here the staircase starts, where the staircase ends, everything should be taken. Will require this time in detail. So that's the beauty of a section. Many engineering and architectural things can be found out when you see a building section. So I think I can improve the building this window also later. I think this chaja extends to 200 mm on both sides. I can edit the block here, 200 mm on both sides to give the chaja. Okay, yes, I think I can do that. Yeah, I think it includes a lot of things to do that. Okay, let's leave it now. You can give this later also. Okay, let's focus on this section. Okay, so this is the we have the line here. Let's take the line representing the ground level, and plinth level 450, plinth level 3000, then 125 slab, then 2400, then 125 slab. This time we don't delete anything unless it is finalized. Yes, you can delete the bottom part to avoid confusion, but let's start with this. So in bottom, which is the column? This is the column. So obviously in bottom only the column will go, this portion won't go, full column will go. So full columns, and in this particular areas only the slab will remain. So first of all, just get rid of all these extra things for here, and yes, yeah, for this portion is a little bit special. This headroom portion, up to this much we want to give the, sorry, not up this much, and not taking this into consideration. Let us take this also, copy, and this, okay, just put it here, doesn't matter. Okay, so with this much we want to take into consideration here for the headroom. This portion is not required. Just delete this one, let it be for now. Okay, you can also trim this also. Okay, and then trim this. Okay, so what are the columns? There is not a column here, and yes, we'll see this particular column here when we cut the section through this. We'll see this column and we'll see this column. So this column will go down here like this. So the entire column will go down. There is no column in between. So just sorting out the columns first, and we'll not see this particular column at all because we are seeing through this, so we'll not see this column. This column won't exist. Okay, there is also no column here, and last column will be there, obviously, like this. So this is the bottom part sorted out. So after that, let's focus on the other things. Now let's sort this portion first. Okay, so there will be you can see there, first the wall, we cut this, first the wall will be visible, then the column. So this is okay, and then there anything not be visible here. This was for, I don't know, for the window portion will not be visible. There is no window now. Okay, window ending portion was this. There will also not be any window ending portion, but yes, there will be this wall which will be visible here. So this wall is there, and in between there will nothing will be visible here. And then we have column, then wall, and then we'll have a door, and that's all. Door, we'll make a door here. Okay, door here, and after the column there will be a door, and then we have the staircase portions here, and at the top also, if you just go cut the section here, then the column portion will remain the same, I think, and this portion will also remain the same. In between there will be nothing. Yes, that will be the case. Okay, yes, that pretty much sorts it. Let's move ahead for the staircase part. So let's take a polyline and let's just do this 150, 250. So let's see, 1 riser, 2 riser, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So let's see the height. 1500 means next portion you will get up to that remaining area also. Okay, let's take a polyline, that would be better. Just will go up to this portion. Let's take 150 as the landing depth and move it up to here, and this much. Just, is there an error here? I think I made an error here. Just need to reconsider. 1, 2, 3, 4, right? Let's go to this time. 4, then 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. Okay, where does it end? Let's just do this. Okay, so I've just used the numbers to count this. So there's a 10 number of threads obviously, and also if you just measure this from here, this will be 1500. Perfect. Okay, you can also keep this also. I'm just choosing to delete this for now, just for counting I used. Sometimes this gets a little bit confusing, so you have to have a little bit practice, otherwise you can mess up. So use another polyline for this, and 150 and then 250. Let's see how this goes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Okay, so this is the thing, 10 number of risers here, and here let's have an offset here of 150 from here, and let's just match this. Okay, let's have to take up to this much, and also to this much for the riser thread slab, sorry, 150. EX center, EX center, select this, delete, select this, yeah, perfect. So this is the staircase, and below the staircase this wall won't be there. This particular wall won't be there. It will just be an extension. Okay, starting from here there will be a wall, and obviously in this slab and none of this will be visible. This is the slab. Okay, so when you will see through this, when you cut the section through here, this wall will be visible only, but this area, this wall will be visible, but this I think will not be visible. Here we'll have a column here. The column will obviously be visible. Okay, so I'll just extend this for the column EX, and this portion, trim this, and also trim this. I can also start to give some hatch, so that for the representation purpose you can start it, that's not bad. I can at least hatch the columns now, and if you want to give the 450 mm extra, I think also now is a good time to keep this 450 extra EX, then this one, and then this one. I think this one is not required. Okay, this portion is not required, this is fine. This is only for this. Okay, okay, this elevation is also fine in this case. Okay, and in this case also, here 450 on this side, select this EX center, just this one. Okay, I think this portion, yeah, this portion, you can fit a door here through this after this column. Yeah, this column will be visible, and beyond this column a door will be there, D1, a single fresh door, and the D1 is 1000. So just go here at the rate 1000, comma, and the height is 2100, and we'll make the D1 block here, not give any color since it's the section. Offset of 50. Keep it simple, as simple as we can, no colors or anything fancy, just a simple rectangle. Can explode the rectangle now, and just take an arc here like this, and make like an arc here like this. Okay, I think this is a little bit too much. Yes, like this I can do, and I can join this, and I can not mirror. I don't want to mirror this, just copy this maybe. Okay, done. Just for the effect, doorknob, and doorknob direction will open through, so it will open like this, so doorknob will be in left direction. Okay, so we'll simply hatch it black for the frame. Okay, that's enough, I think. Just B, and this will be D1 EL, means elevation, and move it to this portion. And anything else will be visible here, no windows and else, etc, etc. There is nothing as such. this line will not be visible. Okay, and just clear the anything inside the slab. Okay, yes. So which will be preferred? The staircase will be preferred here. So the staircase portion will be visible here. This line will also not be visible. Okay, this wall will be visible. Okay, let's give the concrete and RCC. So let's finish the bottom portion first, columns first. Let's go concrete, 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 concrete. So we'll go one by one. Select this and we'll go here, select the concrete here. You can see this is not visible, so this is a pattern. Just increase the scale to 100. This is a little bit too much. If you think, just reduce this to 40. This is perfect for this, right? Full concrete thing is visible here. Okay, so let's go for the staircase as well. I think staircase and slab we have to give in one go. Let's see if we can give one. Sometimes the staircase can lead to problems. If you have a problem like this direction, then we need to, I think, has some areas. So use this MA and has this, and I think we need to just cover a few areas. Okay, I think, yeah, this is out here. So HA now also I think there are some gaps here. Let's go other areas first. Like this will be brickwork. Let's do, this is the brick wall, brick wall, brick wall, brick wall, brick wall, brick wall, and brick wall. And then let's just select the brickwork thing, and 40 has worked good for concrete, so let's try 40 scale. Yeah, it works perfectly fine for the brickwork here. And let's go concrete, the columns, remaining things. Okay, 1, 2, 3 and 4. Okay, select this, match properties, MA, enter, select this, gone. Okay, so now this portion, the sand will be visible here. So HA, enter, sand and sand. So select this, take search for sand here, and because sand or soil, whatever, this will be visible. And let's take scale of 40 also for this one. Also works perfectly fine. Okay, you can also show the foundation in some cases also. Yeah, this one you can also give concrete. Why not concrete, or just match this, MA, enter, concrete. Okay, only this portion is remaining, so we don't know where the thing is, so just use a polyline to just carry it over with. Done on the ortho. This should do. Let's just close this. If this is a single object now there is no problem in hatch. Okay, so this is the this is half done. You just need to give the dimensions also. Okay, so first of all, let us copy the things which we have from here, from the front elevation, because those things are compulsory here and the sizes are the same. So just copy from here. I think this was the point, right? Yes, this works perfect, and this will be section AA. Section AA. So just name this section A, and I think I can increase the text to T150 for this one. T150, and match property, and increase the size for this also to T150, and you can delete this and keep this as section AA. Okay. Anything else you want to give? Yeah, you can give obviously the staircase dimensions here. This is can you show this? Okay, this is already shown. This you can show one riser and one tread. You just show this. Okay, perfect. Okay, and I'll just put this below me. You can also show the parapet wall if you want. Okay, I'll just put this below me, and then this the block, title block. Let's see, let's go title block and copy. I want them on the same line, just kind of just a kind of thing. You want them to be the same line. So at this point the direction is not required. Okay, so front elevation and the section here, and yeah, you cannot put the plan in here, so just in the previous page just take this point and this point, and in the previous page only we can give the section here. Okay, so I can have some space here. I can move this above. Here goes my elevation. You can give the section of other way as well. I'll just show you that also in some other video, but for now I'll show this like this. Yes, and then you can just print it. Fine. Okay, this is ground floor, building, section and elevation, section and elevation. Okay, this thing is not required now because there are no directions here. Today is 27th of November, and this is the second sheet which you have prepared. First sheet you saw. So Ctrl+ P, and then window will take this Microsoft into PDF portrait preview. So let's see if there are any mistakes here visible. Okay, initially it looks good, the drawing looks good, everything you can see, everything dimension and all, everything looks clear. So we'll just apply it to layout and then click on OK, and then we'll just print here AR02 and save. And after you save, the it should open in the PDF. So okay, if it doesn't open, you can just physically open it also. AR02. Let's see this in the PDF file. Let's see, this PDF reader, it is open, and now you can see this is the drawing. So like this is how you make the building elevation. Thanks for watching. Keep learning. Bye bye.